Alright, hi guys, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Fellow Stagg EKG electric pour over kettle. So on the front we've got the front design, got some beautiful artwork. Fellow's got some really cool designs going on. Got some information on the back, shows the base plate, weighted handle, gooseneck kettle, spout. That's a little pour over. Let's get into it. First thing that we notice is on the top here, we've got a little recipe. Don't know if you can see it, but just a very generic pour over recipe that Stagg Fellows provided. Okay, so we open it up. I'm not sure if you can see this too well. Got some booklets, some information, instructions. Does it come with stickers? It comes with stickers. Awesome. Alright, pop that to the side. Well packaged in here. So this is what you get in the box. Get the base plate. And the kettle. And I believe that's it. Just move this to the side. Alright, so let's get to this guy first. Okay. Fellow is a great company. Even like the attention to detail is amazing. Even this packaging, it's just made of really high quality materials. Okay, so I've used the stovetop version of these. So the main difference is compatibility. So basically this is temperature controlled, which obviously you can't do on a stovetop, as well as electric. So it comes with this handy brew guide with the instructions as well. Got this lid, and if there's a max minimum. Okay, so pop that on. There should be a little indicator. Yep. So it's a little indicator. Not sure. There you go. And that says how full it needs to be. Okay. Now there's no thermometer like the or temperature gauge like with the stovetop, because it's all in this base plate. Alright. Very cool. Excellent, so that's what it all looks like together. How pretty is that? Okay, so included in the box, we've got the lid, the kettle, the base plate, a sticker, most important part. We've got a little promotional material, safety and instructions guide, as well as the brew guide. Yeah, so this basically just summarizes what you need to do, and we'll have a little bit of a play and little play with this guy later on. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching.